Upbeat music playing. Hey there, Buy Smart family. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring to new heights as we compare two popular drones, the LeIdea Brushless Motor Drone, or LeIdea, and the ATTOP Drone W10, or ATTOP. Buckle up, because it's going to be a turbulent ride, full of laughs, facts, and maybe some crashes, hopefully just metaphorical ones. Transition music. First, let's talk about the price. LeIdea comes in at a cool $89, while ATTOP is a bit more budget-friendly at $69. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for, a pizza or a couple of lattes, ATTOP might be your guy. But remember, you get what you pay for, or do you? Let's dive in further. Now, on to the cameras. LeIdea boasts a fancy 4K camera with a Sony sensor, which sounds like it should come with its own paparazzi. You can capture ultra-high-definition photos and videos, making your Instagram feed look like a blockbuster movie. On the other hand, ATTOP offers a 1080p camera with a 120-degree wide view. It's like comparing a Hollywood director to your cousin Jerry, who films family barbecues. No offense, Jerry. Reviewers love the LeIdea for its stunning camera quality, but they also appreciate the ATTOP for its decent performance at a lower price point. When it comes to flight performance, LeIdea is like the Usain Bolt of drones. With a brushless motor, it can reach speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour and handle high altitudes and windy conditions like a champ. Plus, it has a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, so it won't crash into Aunt Linda's prized rose bushes. ATTOP, however, is more like your friendly neighborhood drone. It's got altitude hold, headless mode, and can do 360-degree flips, which are great for impressing your friends and their easily impressed pets. Reviewers note that LeIdea is great for both beginners and experienced flyers, while ATTOP is particularly praised for being user-friendly and fun. Let's talk about ease of use. LeIdea has a ton of features, like optical flow positioning, headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, and gesture control. It's like having a drone with a PhD in aerial acrobatics. ATTOP, on the other hand, is super beginner-friendly. You can toss it to launch, use voice commands, and it even has an altitude hold function. It's like the drone version of a golden retriever, loyal, easy to train, and always ready for a game of fetch. Reviewers found LeIdea to be feature-rich, but noted it could be challenging for absolute beginners, while ATTOP was praised for its simplicity and ease of use. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants their drone to drop out of the sky like a sack of potatoes. LeIdea comes with two 3.7 volts, 1200 mAh modular batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. That's 20 minutes to pretend you're a pilot without leaving your backyard. ATTOP doesn't specify its flight time, but it does have a handy warning when the battery is low. So, no surprise crash landings, unless you forget to charge it, in which case, that's on you. Reviewers appreciate LeIdea's decent battery life, while some wished ATTOP's battery lasted longer. Summarizing the reviews, LeIdea is praised for its camera quality, flight performance, and advanced features, but some users have faced quality control issues and found it challenging to control. On the other hand, ATTOP is appreciated for its user-friendliness, durability, and budget-friendly price, though it may have limited battery life and occasional control issues. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for top-notch camera quality and powerful performance, LeIdea might be your go-to. But if you're a beginner or shopping for a younger audience, ATTOP is a fantastic, budget-friendly option that won't disappoint. Either way, both drones offer great value for their price points. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Leave a comment below and let us know which drone you think takes the crown. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Upbeat music playing end screen with subscription prompts and video recommendations.